Unboxing the new high-speed dryer from Tideway. Compared to traditional hair dryers, Tideway is more protective on the scalp as it can adjust the temperature automatically. Whoa, there's a tablet probiotic toothpaste included, great for traveling. This dryer has 3 unique features. 1. 5-minute quick dry. 2. It has negative ion technology, makes hair smoother. 3. It has for temperature mode control. Tideway is having a sale right now. If you want to try it, now is the time. Click the link below.